Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bounce continues. Talked about on Wednesday how the price was starting to show some signs of strength, and now that today, Thursday, has been wrapped up, yeah, it pulled back a little bit from its highs up here, but relatively speaking, continues to grind higher and higher. And really the best way to illustrate that is I'm going to go ahead and one of the first updates needs to be an adjustment. And the question here becomes, all right, well, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And after today's price data, one of the newest areas of support and the adjustment is going to be now up there at 0.072. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but you saw what direction I needed to do that. That green line needed to be adjusted higher. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher and higher, that's definitely a step in the right direction. That's exactly what you want to see. And that's what played out here. So again, still plenty of work that needs to be done. I'm not saying that, the chart is perfectly fixed, but I'm saying, definitely always a good sign when levels of support need to be adjusted higher and higher along the way. So 0.072, one of the newest areas of support. Ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can continue to hold above that purple line there. I say continue because there's actually already been two times, both there and there, where the price bounced beautifully off that level. So you definitely do want to see that action continue with itself. But like I said, if the price does break below there, not the end of the world, because you still then have the 0.072 mark down there. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, now begin to watch that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes a very famous, very well-known 200 period moving average. You can see the price surged up there. Temporarily did break above it, so that's a good sign. So it at least demonstrated the power to be able to break above that level. The problem is when it came to actually maintaining the breakout area, that just didn't quite happen, and the price ultimately did fall back below it. But point here being that 200 period moving average right there, going to be public enemy number one headed into Friday. All in all, though, the bounce continues, so it'll be very interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.